China's biggest land port with Mongolia, Erehat, has witnessed flourishing bilateral trade in recent months. A border trading zone between China and Mongolia opened in Erehat in 2016. It covers a wide range of business activities, including border trade, logistics, and e-commerce, among others.
刚开店时，我们只能经营周边几个国家的产品，种类少，规模小。如今政策好了，通过互市贸易通道进口的货品也丰富起来了，收入自然也多了，得到了实实在在的好处，
带动边民收入大约在300多万元。我们当地很多边民都享受到了边民互市贸易的实惠。
Erehat Port is also the only port of entry and exit on the middle corridor of the China-Europe freight train service. The port handled 3,294 China-Europe freight train trips throughout 2023, a surge of 30.8% year-on-year.
全面落实365天乘24小时预约通关机制，优化调整中欧班列作业流程，确保中欧班列随到、随查、随放。